Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm all set with my primer and moisturizer. And now I'm applying concealer and blend it smoothly. And now I use sugar pan stick and blend the same process. Now I'm applying foundation and blend it. Now I do my eyebrows. I'm done. Now I'm start eye makeup. Now I apply blusher on my cheek and chin also. And now I apply highlighter. If you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I done my eye makeup. Now I'm start my lip. And I done my makeup. Thank you for watching.